Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to seamlessly display your Facebook feed right on your Wix website, whether it's for your business, portfolio, or personal blog, then stick around, because today I'm going to walk you through every single step you need to make that happen. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your live Facebook updates integrated perfectly into your site, so your visitors can follow along, engage with your content, and always see what's new, all without leaving your homepage. Let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to head over to Elfsight, which is an incredibly useful platform for adding all sorts of widgets to your site. No complex coding required. So, open up your web browser, go to elfsight.com, and once you're there, you'll see a search bar where you can explore different widgets. Type in Facebook feed and hit enter. This is going to pull up a selection of Facebook feed widgets designed specifically for easy integration. Take a moment here to browse through the options. You'll see various widget styles and layouts, some that display your posts as a neat list, others as a lively grid. Choose the widget that best matches the vibe and aesthetic of your Wix website. For instance, if your site is super visual, the grid template might show off your images nicely. Click on the widget you like, and then hit Continue with this template. Remember, you can always come back and tweak the look later, so don't stress too much about finding the perfect one right away. Next up, it's time to connect your Facebook account. This is an important step, as it's how the widget will pull your live updates and display them on your Wix site. You'll be prompted to log in and authorize access. Make sure you're signed into the correct Facebook account, especially if you manage multiple pages. If you're worried about privacy, don't sweat it. The connection only gives permission to show your public posts, not your private info. Once you're connected, you'll see a preview of how your feed will appear. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Add to Website. On the next screen, hit Publish. This is going to save your custom settings and get the widget ready for integration. Before you can use it on your site, you'll need to select the free plan. Elfsight has paid options with extra features, but for a straightforward Facebook feed, the free plan covers most needs just fine. Click on the free plan, confirm, and now you'll see a bit of code pop up on the screen. This is your widget code. It's what links your Facebook feed to your Wix site. Go ahead and copy that code. You can just click the handy Copy button. All right, let's switch gears and pop over to your Wix website dashboard. If you're not already logged in, get yourself there and open up the editor for the page where you want the Facebook feed to appear. Now, you're going to add a new element. In Wix, look for the option called Embed Code, or sometimes just HTML iframe in the Elements or Widgets section. Click to add that element to your page, and then a window will pop up where you can paste your code. Just drop the code you copied from Elfsight right in there. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes your feed might take a few seconds to appear, especially if you have a lot of Facebook posts. Don't worry if you don't see it instantly. Refreshing the preview usually does the trick. And that's it. Your Facebook feed should now be live on your Wix website. You can drag and resize the embed box to fit exactly where you want it on your page. Whenever you post something new on Facebook, it'll automatically update right here, keeping your site fresh and engaging for visitors. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you hit any snags or have questions. I love helping out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.